Hello guys, I'm Ig here again in the second part of the video of the Honda CR-Z review. Did you guys remember in our previous video that we did the review on the CVT version of the Honda CR-Z, and today I got my hand on this manual version of the hybrid sports car. In the previous Honda CR-Z, the owner has changed the in-car entertainment system to an infotainment system that comes with the reverse camera. But if you guys wonder how the original in-car entertainment system looks like, then this manual version owner still kept it original. Personally, I like the original look compared to the big screen, as the original in-car entertainment system will blend well with the dashboard with all the buttons here. The engine used in this manual version is exactly the same unit as the one in CVT version, with an extra 2 horsepower. Yes, that's right, 2 horsepower increase in power output. The manual version making 118 horsepower at 6,600 rpm with 144 Nm of torque at 4,800 rpm to be exact. Some people has claimed that this manual gearbox in CR-Z is only bettered by the one in the Type Rs. Let's see if the claims are true. It is quite rare that a hybrid car comes with a manual transmission. It could be available elsewhere outside of Malaysia, but as far as I know, Honda CR-Z is the only hybrid car that is offered a manual gearbox in Malaysia. Driving the 1.5 litre hybrid with manual shifting is not much different compared to the CVT version, except you got the freedom to change the gear whenever you want. The best way to drive a sports car, in my opinion, is through the sports mode. That's it. You will immediately feel the throttle response is much more quicker, and the steering also feels a little bit heavier after the mode is activated. As I mentioned in the previous video, the CR-Z will perform very well in a twisty federal road because I like the handling of this car. It's very nimble and you can feel the car is planted to the ground. Granted that you also need a good tire fitted to a sports car. Like what I have here is the Michelin tire, which rated at 225/45 R18 tires, wrapping the race sport wheels. The CR-Z is definitely underpowered if you want to compare it to the Type R, let's say the EK9. But in a twisty road like this, pretty sure the CR-Z can keep up with the Rs because of its good handling and of course with a ball of steel. I don't want to talk about the fuel consumption. It is hybrid car anyway. And in my opinion, this is the most fun hybrid car to drive. And mind you that this is the cheapest sports car around on the second-hand market. My suggestion, if you look for one, please buy the one with the manual gearbox. It is super rare and I believe that this will be the future classic soon. So let me having fun with this little hatch, but before that, please like this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification button as well. As usual, I'm Ig, signing off for this week's video. Do keep in mind that we are the Honda guys. We are all about Hondas. As always, bye!